In this video, I'm going to make a review about Mike Banner's Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I will leave the link below. Also, let me know your thought in the comment. Mike Banner's Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic weight loss drink recipe supplement took the health world by storm in 2021 as one of the best fat-burning powders to try due to its ability to naturally support digestion, energy, and vitality. However, with all the notoriety and online awareness that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder has received over the past few months, there are some important consumer and customer warnings that every savvy shopper should know in advance. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an effective powder supplement for weight loss. It's a 100% natural formulation, so you can get results without changing your lifestyle or diet pattern. All scoops of this supplement are filled with herbs that originate in Japan. They have been tested for weight loss and can also help control blood pressure. Stored fat is targeted, boosting metabolism and speeding up weight loss. Weight loss is a tricky topic to discuss as many factors can support or worsen your set goals. In particular, these so-called factors range from genetics, hormones, diet, food quality, health to addiction, stress, sleep, and physical activity. All of this is so confusing. Mike Banner believes Okinawa's Flat Belly Tonic can help support those in need of direction, motivation, and energy. He strongly encourages healthy eating and some forms of exercise, but also values digestive and intestinal function, both of which are the basis of the formula. Without further ado, here's our full review of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is based on the ingredients of Okinawa's tonic, one of the healthiest islands in the world. This tonic has been used for thousands of years to support healthy digestion and metabolism. In addition to supporting healthy digestion and metabolism, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic provides powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains ingredients that help break down fats and food particles so they won't stick to the intestinal lining. This ensures smooth movement through the intestine. Weight gain has become a common problem for many of us. As much as we adopt a nice diet and try to do our daily exercise, it is sometimes difficult to get rid of dangling fat. In the end, even if you spill that fat, there is no guarantee that you will never get it again. This may be because you are not aiming at the root cause of the problem. Various weight loss programs are going to scam customers, resulting in no results. However, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic received positive reviews from people who tried and tested it. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement designed to promote healthy weight management, support healthy digestion, and increase energy and vitality. As the title suggests, this supplement is formulated in powder form to be enjoyed as a tonic. Above all, the use of natural ingredients is the highlight here, especially because it is generally considered an essential nutrient beyond supporting mental and physical health. These positive changes are all you need to increase clarity and energy throughout the day, and both play a key role in your productivity level. All things considered, now let's take a look at the ingredients that make Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic excellent. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder work? Okinawa is a natural health supplement that claims to reach the root cause of weight gain. And the cause is the body's metabolism. In general, this is a common reason for being overweight that people suffer from stagnant or slow metabolism. Therefore, it is impossible to shed extra kilos due to a slow metabolism. This is why excess weight is shameful and makes social gatherings a nightmare. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one of those weight loss drink powder recipes that claim to address the root cause of weight gain as well as weight loss. By using this program, users can make sure that their body is getting the essentials essential to maintaining their metabolism quickly and effectively. In addition, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic eliminates the risk of weight gain in the future by supplying the body with sufficient amounts of super nutrients that provide more nutritional value and density. This weight loss supplement is derived from the Japanese and their dietary habits. Inspired by the way of life of the Okinawans who live on the island of Okinawa, where they can live a very effective and energy-driven lifestyle. These people are known to be healthy and have a lifespan that is longer than the standard age of men around the world. Below is a list of health benefits advertised using Okinawan beverage powder. Burn excess fat to lose weight for a lean body. Prevent food cravings that lead to significant weight loss. Keep your body energized throughout the day. Eliminates CRP proteins that interfere with fat burning. Regulates the body's blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Improves mental concentration, mood, confidence, and self-esteem. Promote metabolic processes in the body. Improves cardiovascular and liver function. Increased hormonal function to support weight loss. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.